Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying another setting, another background. So I usually film my videos hiding from my kids because I have two kids. So let's see if this will work. Which of these two do you think is worth the money? I don't know, but stay tuned. My channel. My name is Sylvia. Reviews and a little bit of everything. So if this is the type of content that you would like to see, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So today I have a comparison video for you guys, and it's comparing a Chanel Deauville in the medium size and my Neverfull MM. Okay, first of all, I would like to say that these two bags are a tote bags, and these two are the medium size. I know that on the Chanel Deauville there is another size which is the smaller one, and it feels more like the Neverfull PM. Who are new to my channel, I have another video comparing my Neverfull MM with a Goyard GM, St. Louis GM. So if you guys would like to see that video, go ahead and look into my channel. Besides from being a tote bags, the differences between these two are the sizes. Chanel Deauville, it's a little bit larger and the structure than Neverfull MM. And it's a little bit heavier, okay, because of the material and the chain. Now the chain is also another difference between gold chain, beautiful chain, and we'll also show you some shots for you guys, but these handles are a little bit uncomfortable, especially when you put stuff into your bag and you travel. Now I have traveled a lot of time with my Neverfull MM, and this is the bag that I will take. I will also go with my St. Louis GM, but I kind of like this better, so this is my go-to bag for traveling. I will say that the Chanel Deauville that I will probably compare with the Neverfull GM because it's much bigger and much wider. I got an organizer for this bag, and it's a pretty big organizer. This wasn't from Samorga, this is from Oma Style. And you can find this also in Amazon. I usually buy Lexium or Samorga, but lately I didn't want to spend that much money on organizers. These you can find it in Amazon. All right, so the inside it's pretty much just a big hole, and it has one zipper compartment and three little pockets. One, and it's a blue, like a dark blue color, but it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. The inside, it's like this. Now I wanted to show you that I am placing here the organizer. Okay, my 15 inches laptop, I'm gonna put it here, and if I put my laptop already, it's pretty heavy, so I will say if I have to take this to travel, it will be pretty much maybe if I travel, I don't know, like inside of the States. Depending on how much can you take with in your shoulders, but I personally won't take this internationally. I will take my Neverfull MM. Yeah, this is a way to go handbag. For those of you who have watched my other video, in the other video I mentioned that this was made to carry 200 pounds. So this Neverfull also comes with a pouch. So pretty much the heaviness, also like the chain is different. Now I will say my essay said that I needed it to fill it out so it doesn't lose its shape, because it will lose its shape. I also seen the Deauville in the small size, like the PM size, but I don't know, I just love this detail of you know, of a big chain, and since I already have my Neverfull MM, I said why not get a big one so I can, you know, just take more stuff. Maybe it's more like the look instead of like the convenience of the bag, you know. All right guys, so let me show you some more shots for you guys to see. So for your records, I'm 5'3". You can use it like this. I don't usually go shopping or anywhere with this bag because I feel like it's really big. If I probably take it, it will probably be like to a yoga class where I can put like my mat and and a lot of stuff in it. But I seen it that you can just you can wear it like this, or you can just wear it like this in your wrist. If you want to wear it like this, it doesn't really go, so I will just wear it like this or like in the shoulder. It's not leather completely, it's another material. So with the time, you will also see that you will see these little hairs coming out. This is pretty new, so it doesn't see it, but you'll probably see wear and tear in, with the time. This is how I look with my Neverfull MM. This is also, like you see, it's a little bit smaller. You can wear it like this. Of course, like the shoulder straps are shorter than the Deauville. It's more comfortable though to wear the Deauville than the Neverfull, especially because of the strap. The straps are longer, but it feels like it comes out, So now you have to also I feel like the Neverfull stays in my shoulders better than the Chanel. I wanted to get the darker color instead of the lighter color, because I knew that if I get the lighter color, like the pink or the cream or the beige, I will probably be like scared of getting it dirty. That's why I chose this color, and it's so beautiful. I don't regret it. It's nice, and especially it's not that flashy. I mean, okay, it says Chanel, like a huge logo, but because of the color and because of it's like blue and black, it doesn't really like stands out too much, So which of these two do you think I will recommend? I will probably recommend the Neverfull one because of the price. It's not that pricey compared to the Chanel one. The Chanel, you're probably paying because of the Chanel logo and because of the Chanel brand. If you really want something that you will use, I will invest on a Neverfull first. And if you're happy with the Neverfull and you think about something else, maybe the Deauville, but yeah, that will be my go-to bag, the Neverfull. Which one of these two do you like? Comment me down below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave me a comment and anything. Look into my Instagram as Bag Love and Style. Bye guys. Thank you.